Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now, again, I came back in front of you to improve my English speaking. Okay, I hope you are fit and fine. I'm also doing fantastic. Right now, I came in front of the road, and you can see I am sitting on the tongue, and there are three child with me. I am having good time with them. And there are my cousins, and they are sitting with me. Okay, they are enjoying with me. I am also enjoying with them. Okay, so speaking is very important for us because when you will be a good speaker, it will improve your English fluency. Okay, so they get shy because they told me that to delete his videos. Okay, they are getting shy, that's why they told me that to delete their videos. Okay, they alert given me because to delete, but I don't recognize them to delete the videos because I will upload the video in my YouTube channel. So right now I will show you in my surroundings. Okay, right now it's afternoon time, it's noon time. You can see behind me the field. It's very sunshine right now, the hot weather, and that's why I came out to in the fresh air because, and my cousins also come here with me to enjoy some time in the right now I came here having my dinner lunch. So okay, they also taken lunch with me, so that's why they came with me to having good time with me. And right now I am walking on the road, and okay, so speaking is very important. Wherever you go, you have to try your best to say something of surrounding, what kind of things have in the surroundings, you can say about them. Okay, so by speaking, it will improve your own self. Okay, so day by day I also improving my some friends told me that you are improving. Okay, because I am also very much passionate to improve my English speaking, and I'm very keen on explain some things in surroundings. And you can see behind me there are lots of trees which are very old in our area, and there are one small canal here, and sometimes we catch some fish here, and we can see, but the owner of the canal, they taken all fishes here, but there are right now also there are little bit fish here in the little water. Okay, you can see this canal. Okay, over the opposite side of the canal there are one big road here. There are lots of vehicles commute every day. Okay, there are lots of possibility, there are lots of opportunity of this road, because if I want to go Dhaka, we will get on the bus from here, from this here, and we will go Dhaka so easily. Okay, okay, they always pressuring me to delete their videos, but I don't delete their videos. Okay, they are always naughty boy. Okay, they always doing naughty work. Okay, okay, but right now they want to go to their house, but they don't recognize me to stay with me. So guys, I always told you that if you want to learn English, you have intention to be a fluent speaker, you have to practice more and more. So I always practice wherever I go. You can see right now I am practicing with them. No, I will delete, no problem. I will see you how I delete your videos, your photo. Okay.